greytHR's workflow reviewers type system lets admins define workflow reviewers based on multiple options, and the same can be used to configure workflow policies under workflow levels. You can use workflow reviewer types to assign various workflow policies under workflow levels. Individual employee to reviewer mapping, where reviewers can differ for each employee. View a list based on different categories for which reviewers can be assigned. Multiple options to set as reviewers. And finally, search option to quickly filter results. Navigate to Workflow, Setup, and then Workflow Reviewers type page to get started. You can view a list of workflow reviewers created on this page, which you can also edit or delete. Click on Add Reviewer Type. Enter Approver Title. Select the assignment type from the drop-down. Select Employee Specific if you want to map individual employee to reviewer, where reviewers can differ for each employee. Select Category-based admin to choose a named user from the drop-down. You can also choose other options such as greytHR User, Employee, Manager, Manager's Manager, and Named User. Select Category-based if you want to map each category with an employee or change an employee's reviewer. Select a category from the drop-down to assign a reviewer. You can also export this to Excel. On this page you can view details, activate or deactivate a workflow reviewer type. In this section, you can view the count of rows that are there in the unassigned type, for which reviewers are not set. Use the search option to quickly filter results. Please note, you can select this reviewer under workflow levels while assigning multiple levels of reviewers. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the greytHR How to video series.